Meaning of devotional.
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 Devotional. The word devotional refers to something that is related to religious worship or spiritual practice. It can also describe a person's deep sense of devotion or commitment to a particular faith or belief system. A devotional might be a book of prayers or meditations, a piece of music or art that inspires worshipful feelings, or a religious ceremony or ritual. Devotional practices can help individuals feel a greater sense of connection to the divine, as well as provide comfort, guidance, and inspiration in their daily lives.